your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. Kaizer Chiefs iwile namhlanje bethwa iCape Town City, Cape Town Stadium, Cape Town City 1 Darwin scoring igoal elinye nqaku nje eli1 elomdlalo namhlanje. Lo mdlalo nikhumbuze umdlalo wokhe wenzeka eOrlando Stadium just last year about December, November. Remember the game where Stellenbosch, Orlando Pirates were all over Stellenbosch. Then Stellenbosch came in, scored the goal. I'm not saying Kaizer Chiefs were all over Cape Town City, but I'm just saying it's a smash and grab just as a guy, because there were not so many clear-cut chances of creating with Amtlanje Junior. But before setting on the cost, we'll see the match in foot.
Justice. Look beautiful, man. Dress code. Justice. Police Benedict the legendary so. The legendary. Angengeti the legendary. The legendary so villagas in faith. Police Lindo Pep. Ever fit to keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. I mean, I will be honest, both teams being understand with Buffalo wins on. Yeah, I'll be honest. Cape Town City won, but if I can tell you with what exactly what they were trying to do, I can't tell. Credit to certain players, Itumba, a man of the match. Wow. Darren Kidd as well, the goalkeeper today came to the party. Also, Lengwenyes Lalala Petros did very well. Holding midfield. A lot of teams, they need a holding midfield. I think they need to get that guy. Go to a premiership. That's they are very average. I think the guy who understands the position, okay, he understands my principles of him. Also, he covered the distance, hardworking as well. He's got energy. What more do you ask from me holding midfield? Very, very good player. Very, very, very good player. Yeah. So well done to Umushin for first game here, okay. Mina Umushin the way approach game corner, that's machine for you. Mina long mazio. Back four solid. The goalkeeper always must be on toes. Number 6 working, Kulmangu Chinash, long mazio. Always solid. Coffee back four yake. But it's 4-3 today. Yeah, back four yake solid. Mkize, Itumba. Also continue. Mkize as well. Nalum Fanunyama did very well. No Petros in front of them. They did very well. Shape. Yeah. But they batala counter check. Always people cheese breaks, and they did exactly that. Well done to Gonzalez, but Gonzalez let Umushin down. Him and Roots first half, both wingers right and left.
Roots should have scored there.
Yeah, but they've let Umushin down in pitch. Now when you're Sekuma, they up front.
Yeah, used to play for Marisbeck.
No, man, they must get the front forward player. A central player was playing forward. I need to be honest, Tumchito energetic, I can see he's moving, but I don't see what exactly was begins on. When I go 21, a special player. Yeah, Ochega Luya, Elasipola Leauchi, very Uripero, we Cape Town City. Mushin, I know, is going to check out the best of the guy. Mushin is a guy who check out the best out of players. Individual, I know there's players that will improve at Cape Town City, but all in all, they won the game, but they've never well done to the team. Unless charge much machine una 3 days I take it over. Coming to Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, sometimes it becomes an embarrassment to see about Saile but came. When you have a left wing like Saile, who's always doing something every week, I don't understand why he has to end the place to play. Why still a Chiefs? Coming to the game today, you have Yusuf Martin Nomchecha, they're playing central. Ngihlale ngisho kanje mina badlala ngama defender i4 but they concede. They playing with 2 central defenders, which is Yusuf Mart and Mchecho. They playing with the clock badlala nga 3, let me badlala nga 5, let me put it that way. Ngoba uFrosta bekakhuphuka yabo, but they concede. uFrosta nangimbali as a defender. I-game plan yabo as always njenganamhlanje beka right uFrosta is going forward. He's giving a lot of crosses, but the Breeze up front. The Breeze was playing central today, but he was told to run sideways today. I'm a winger in Zan. Tuba, I don't know why he's ending the place as well. Average player, I need to be honest. No quick feet, no football intelligence. It doesn't go in and out. Predictable umfana. I don't understand. It's more of a right back to me. Magadlala angazi bamthandele energy ukuthi i-track back to go and defend. Ka left. Not much of Saile. Shaipola phezu kwepali, like not even off target, maybe 3 times. You're doing same thing, maybe in a row. Decision making poor as well. Kuna situation njengabo 3v2 upasa ama opponent. Very poor from Chiefs, I need to be honest. Yeah, babe na momentum to has tried. Ngonini umntu uzamile. He's the only player that has tried. But umntu ngifuna consistent from him. But the surrounding na ya counter. Remember umntu angisho ukuthi special player, but compared to players that Chiefs has got, it's far better. He's better than other players that Chiefs got. The Breeze, I think they must play according to his strengths. Okay, he's making a lot of mistakes. Bad first touch, pushy baller, making wrong decision, pushy ball line near Pela, or pushy ball la Puma. It's poor from Chiefs. Now second half they come. While refreshing on my field backs. As a coach, tactical, what you are trying to apply. Cross.
Yes, but this is a good moment, Khanye, when junior, because when I was watching the game, I could see your reaction. What do you think Coach Nabi was trying to do? I mean,
Shane
on Eastern backs.
Shane Park.
Sure.
Bear in mind, there are coaches that are better than Abu Dhabi, South Africa. There are coaches that they are underrated. They don't. That are better than Abu Dhabi, South Africa. I mean, I understand when you don't have players, but just show us, man. What are you trying to? You as a coach, Nabi, mean I see his philosophy. Play long ball, diagonal, lot of diagonals. You give Toki the ball. You want Toki to play Omar, get Froster or Tuba. He must cross the ball. Cross for who? Yeah, so unfortunately, I'm very disappointed, Mina, the way they are playing. There's no team that they're going to beat. I need to be honest. If you can't beat the team that it just took over now. It just took over now. Almost in 3 days. I'm a brother. Chiefs today, they were supposed to put Timushin. But Mina, like I said, I did the interview in a Sunday World. Bangbuza, I told them Timushin is going to beat Kaizer Chiefs. Mushin knows Kaizer Chiefs. Mushin is attacking minded. Mushin, that's how he plays. He defends is solid. On number 6, tactical is spot on. Cover distance, but up front, he played with a lot of flair. Going forward, allowing players. Good player from is the Cape Town City Unyama. The boy Stars of Africa, he left wing or number 10.
Because it's got
very smart player.
Yeah.
It's got balance, intelligent. Unfortunate to play for Cape Town City, but Cape Town City it's a professional team, well-structured team. But if you are playing for Pirates or Chiefs or Sundowns, Mabu national team, the boy is very good. Well done to Cape Town City for winning, but there's a lot that needs to be fixed at Cape Town City. But well done to Mushin. There's not much that he could do in 3 days. But I mean, again, ulang question in 6 months, the way you are playing is questionable. Namasapo ako, angiti kuna lento but you read the game.
Yeah.
It game changing Kunabi from the bench, also poor. The way he read our game, it was very, very poor. To freshen up, I'm a full back across, also no plum. Very, very poor, I need to be honest. Still, you're keeping there are 2 midfielders. You are losing the game. You're keeping Umtech and Omar. They are playing 2 square, playing sideways, backwards, and not even forward pass. They can't wear the pass in Kulmangabomar. They can't find them pockets. Very disappointing. Run off the ball at Kaizer Chiefs. I'm a player at Kaizer Chiefs. They can't even run off the ball. Yeah, there's a lot. I need to be honest. In fact, Ngale window period for me. Yeah, Shane. I'm saying me.
Junior, I am Kaizer Mutaung right now. I'm giving you a blank check. I'm saying, okay, I know it's very difficult to sign the players in January, especially players as perform your good teams as. But I'm giving you a blank check now to sign just 5 players that you can say these players will improve Kaizer Chiefs and these players will make sure the Kaizer Chiefs finishes in the top 4 at the end of the season. Who are those 5 players, Junior?
Yo, no. That's my job anyway.
Yeah.
Number 1, I know which is Okuluma. You should check it. Yes.
Yeah. It's a blank check.
Sharp.
It's a blank check.
I mean, I buy out from Kulis.
Nkulisa from
Yes, I
Sundowns.
buy out. Nyazo Munimuntu, so it's not gonna happen. Chiefs got man.
Yeah.
You can buy.
Yeah.
I buy him Kulisi out. The first
number 1.
Yeah, first player, Cheney Adams.
Jalen Adams from Stellenbosch.
Yeah, I bring him there. For me, Gunalengo ngibone namhla center back.
Fasika from Cape Town City.
Itumba.
Yes.
Unda Cape Town City.
Yes.
Ayalazi ibhola ngibonile. No.
Top
Angisho
class.
akusho ukuthi mangabe ufeyile Europe. It
Yeah.
means you are a bad player.
Is it
Europe
the-
kunama players adlala khona ngekho right. Mina I've seen players adlala Europe ngekho right.
Exactly.
No. The least I've seen players played in Europe.
He's a defender that should be playing.
Akhona ama players
Champions
adlala Europe
League,
because they deserve.
Sure.
But there are players who played in Europe that they were not good. But they are centre back grand. Or I go for
Sure.
Kipidu.
That's four.
Yes, also Eshinda B5 is on low man. Benzo I need the attack yabo.
So who's that attacker?
Kune-
Now need to make the final one.
Ekune into ngibone ku Farouk Nyaza uyazi underrated. But Khumutso KG.
Yeah.
Yeah, uFarouk uthi is a Portugal. I wish people can go and see the boy. Star player this. Akakaziwa. Of that boy at Cape Town City. Nyazi ukuthi nobody knows him. Mina I'll go for that boy at Cape Town City. I'll sign the boy ku first team. I break the account. The age uri lebogele mfokeng sort of. I sign him. Umuntu ongacompete no lebogile ku Betway Premiership current. So I signed those players. Ngoba abanye not much abakang yabo. There's players that yes abanye abantu angithi it's a game of opinion.
Sure.
Mina I go for it, but mina ngifuna 5. There's a lot that choose that. If
You've already given me 6.
yeah.
Thank you so much, Junior. It's Cape Town City 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Cape Town City, no coach Wabo Chamfuni, the only coach in the Betway Premiership who's holding true position. You must remember, he's also the technical director of the club. He's also the head coach of Cape Town City. So he's the man who holds true position in South African football. Well, that's it for iDiski TV, Diski Times. I'll see you on the Saile. Thank you so much for watching.